friend. Come along with us. We're going to go over to the Colorado Convention Center and see the Colorado Garden Home Show. Should be a lot of fun. Can't wait to show you. Come on with me. Don't get hit by a train. Oh, hi there, neighbor. This is James. We are here at the Colorado Garden Home Show. Come along, let's take a look. So what is a home show? The home show is a place where you can find a bunch of inspiration for ideas for your house or even your apartment. There's a lot of local vendors that come and have big booths that they have set up. Some of them spend, months in planning to get it and just set up in less than a week for this. So you got very large displays, real plants, real huge gardens, waterfalls, big deck builds, hot tubs. So a lot of stuff that everyone just scurries in and just tries to set up, right beforehand. And then, it's all just taken down. A little behind the scenes. It's really, really neat to see how methodical things are. So they have to be methodical to get it done on time and get out of people's way, so the next vendor can set theirs up too. So it's a huge production. It's happening now at the Colorado Convention Center from February 12th through the 20th, and it's a lot of fun. There's concession stands. There's also some beer if you want. So yeah, bring a whole family. A good time for the entire family. So how to get the most out of the home show? Well, you can do it one of two ways. If you just want to go and have some fun and take a look around and just meet some people, and you don't really have a real need for something right away, then it's perfectly fine. Just mosey around. Or if you're like, this is the year we're going to get some work done on our house. We have some money saved up. We want to get this done. Well, then this is a perfect opportunity. Rather than just spending hours and hours reading reviews, going online, everything else, you can meet, 5 to 10, window installers there at the home show. And maybe you might meet someone and you just don't click and you just don't necessarily, feel like it's going to be, it's something that's going to work out. So you can just go on and meet the other competitor, and maybe you guys might click really well. And then you can, set, a lot of times you can set an appointment right there at the home show. So it just makes it a lot easier on everybody. There's no, phone call tags going back and forth. And then if you meet them and you're like, I don't really like this person, or they're very pressuring, and you just don't want them to do work on your house, then you can just go on to the next one and just leave. You don't have to stand there and talk with them. If you don't have a home, there's no worry. There's plenty to do there too. Walk in. Here's a tip. Walk in. You'll be able to grab a map or do a virtual map and go around and just kind of mosey around. You might get some ideas for a home in the future, or you kind of get a sense of really kind of what you like. It's kind of hard to tell exactly what you want when you just see pictures of it, but when you can actually go up and feel it, like say siding, and you can feel the different types of siding, actually see what it looks like in person. It gives you a lot better idea of what you want. And also with the garden and home show, on the garden part, there's a lot of live plants, and they have gardens all set up, and maybe you might get an idea and like, hey, I want that garden in my backyard. That's exactly what I want. And you can probably schedule an appointment with them too. And they can come out and give you an estimate and get you on your way and get you scheduled. So makes just things so much easier, having everyone right there and people are able to meet person to person and talk about this stuff. It's a good time. Also, don't let me forget, there's a lot of free pins and free swag, free bags, a lot of different stuff that they're giving away for free. And a lot of places also have free prizes. So you might just end up winning something, and your chances are pretty good to win something. So go check it out, Colorado Garden Home Show. Please like, show a little love to that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any updates on the Denver metro area housing market. Thanks for coming along with me to the Colorado Home and Garden Show. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Come join us next time. Bye, friend.